Losing your passport while traveling can be a stressful experience, but it's important to stay calm and take immediate steps to report the loss and obtain a replacement. 1. Stay calm and assess the situation. Double-check. Thoroughly check your belongings and surroundings to ensure that your passport is indeed lost and not misplaced. Secure your valuables. Ensure that other important items, such as your wallet, credit cards, and any other identification, are secured. 2. Report the loss. A. Local authorities' police report. Visit the nearest police station to report the loss of your passport. Obtain a copy of the police report, as it may be required for the passport replacement process and for insurance purposes. B. Your country's embassy or consulate. Locate the nearest embassy consulate. Find the nearest embassy or consulate of your home country. You can use online resources, such as the embassy's website, or contact local authorities for assistance. Contact information. Visit the embassy or consulate's website for contact information, operating hours, and specific instructions regarding lost passports. C. Alert your hotel. Inform hotel staff. Notify the hotel management about the loss of your passport. They may provide you with assistance or guidance on what to do next. 3. Request a replacement passport, EA. Visit the embassy or consulate. Required documents. Bring the following documents if available: a copy of the police report, any form of identification, driver's license, national ID card, photocopy of the lost passport. Passport size photographs. Check the embassy for specific requirements. Travel itinerary and proof of onward travel, e.g. flight tickets. Previous copies of your passport, if available, forms and fees. Be prepared to fill out necessary forms for a replacement passport and pay any applicable fees. B. Emergency travel document, temporary travel document. If you need to travel urgently, inquire about obtaining an emergency travel document or temporary passport, which will allow you to continue your journey or return home. C. Processing time. Time frame. Processing times for replacement passports can vary, so check with the embassy or consulate for an estimated time frame. Emergency travel documents are usually issued more quickly. 4. Secure your account and travel safety. A. Monitor your accounts. Financial accounts. Monitor your bank and credit card accounts for any unauthorized transactions and alert your financial institutions if necessary. Identity theft. Monitoring. Consider enrolling in an identity theft monitoring service to protect against potential misuse of your personal information. B. Travel insurance coverage. If you have travel insurance, check your policy to see if it covers lost passports and associated expenses. Report the loss to your insurance provider and initiate a claim if applicable. 5. Prevent future loss. A. Precautionary measures. Photocopies. Always carry photocopies of your passport and other important travel documents, keeping them separate from the originals. Digital copies. Store digital copies of your passport, visa, flight tickets, and other important documents in a secure cloud storage service or email them to yourself. Secure storage. Use hotel safes or other secure storage options to keep your passport and valuables safe when not in use.